First, watch this.
Lot of height on it. And into the toddler room.
Now I'll show you how to make this viral AI edit on your mobile for absolutely free. Step 1. Upload your photos in ChatGPT using this prompt. In a few seconds, you'll get AI images that look just like this. Now, step 2. Open the Google Flow website and log in. Then upload the images generated from ChatGPT using this secret prompt. Wait for a few minutes, and boom, your cinematic AI video is ready. Follow Keep Editing for more crazy AI editing tutorials.